So what are digital images? Deductive reasoning would lead us to believe that they are images that have become digitized. But what happens when we take an image and digitize it then? Or perhaps have an image that has already been digital? In order to better understand what is going on, we need to start looking at them less as pictures and begin looking at them as data or information. Digital images, either synthetic or photographic, are numeric information, which indicate the amounts of red, green, and blue at specific locations in a grid of tiny squares on a monitor. These tiny squares are called pixels, short for picture elements, and are the smallest unit of information that make up a digital image. Each one of these pixels has 3 color channels, being red, green, and blue, that appear in varying intensities to represent a color on our screen. A bit is a binary digit, which may only have the values 0 or 1. The term bitmap refers to the storage method for these images using pixels. It is a map where bits of information is stored in arrays, much like a grid. Anytime an image becomes digitally represented, it will be stored using pixels, which contain bits. They are stored within each channel of the pixel in equal representations. For any amount of bits in a given channel, there will be the exact same number in the remaining 2 channels. The amount of information we are able to store within a single pixel is referred to as bit depth. By being able to store more bits of data within a pixel, the greater the amount of possible colors that pixel will be able to represent, ultimately increasing the depth of the image in terms of fidelity. In the next video, we are going to explore more common bit depths of images and their visual capabilities.